Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change a background in your video on VN. So here I have already opened a video on my VN, and to change the background you need to change the format first. So I'm going to change it format into TikTok format like this, and I'm going to change the uh, it like this so that the video will be at the center. And then here, to change the background, you just need to swipe at the bottom toolbar and find the BG or background options. So in here you can choose whether you want to add a solid color in your background like this, or you can also use this gradient color like this, or you can also use image here or blur like this. Okay, when you're done, just click on the check icon and your background will be changed like that. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this content, don't forget to click on the thanks, like this video, leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.